So I got my Quad Cortex today and I really like it except for one problem. Listen. It's got this nasty buzz and I don't even have my guitar plugged in. If I unplug my amp, there's no noise. So there's obviously something wrong with the unit, because if I don't even plug it back in and I just even touch it while holding the plug, I'm getting a bad ground buzz. I'm going to turn the amp off, plug this guy back in, turn it back on. Yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but I can't deal with that. Okay, so I just moved my power supply over to a different plug. Same problem. I usually have my amp plugged in with the same supply as my pedal board, so I wouldn't want to do that anyway, so that didn't work. Okay, so here's the Kemper stage. In the exact same scenario, same cabling, same amp, obviously a different power supply, but same power connection down here, same amp, same volume. I don't have the guitar plugged in, and listen, you don't hear anything. And even if so I'm just gonna plug the guitar in now, right here. And let's see what we got. Beautiful, listen. Silence. I don't know, Neural DSP, what you do to your power supply. So the problem was with the 1/4 inch out. If I use the balanced XLR out, luckily my amp accepts that, then it's nice and quiet. Barely hear anything. Cool.